Yes, let's start our poem Tartary. Tartary means it is a historical name. Tartary is the historical name of a region. This is the historical name of region. Historical name of region. Region means a place of indefinite extent in East Europe and Central Asia. It is extent, it is wide extent in East Europe and Central Asia. The name brings to mind a fabulous space of legendary monarch. Legendary means which is used as a very royal playlist, or monarch means king. Monarch means king or queen. So in this poem, Tartary seems to be a land of dreams and happiness. Means the poet imagines that Tartary is a land of dreams and happiness. So this poem is written by Walter de la Mare. So takes means the poet takes us on a wonderful journey of an imaginary land called Tartary. So let's start this poem. Tartary. Tartary, if I were Lord of Tartary. Means if I were Lord of Tartary means if I were the Lord, the owner, the king of Tartary, myself and me alone. Means I am the only person who lived there. My bed should be of ivory. Ivory means ivory which is made of elephant teeth. Which is made of elephant teeth. So my bed should be made from ivory, elephant's teeth, of beaten gold, my thorn, and my thorn. Thorn means like seat, royal seat. Thorn means royal seat. Write down the meaning. Thorn means royal seat. So my thorn, my seat was made of gold, pure gold. And in my coat should peacock flaunt. In my coat, in my palace should peacock flaunt. Peacock show off their beauty to everyone. Means peacock show off their beauty. And in my forest, tigers haunt. And in my forest, tiger was hunting. And in my pools, great fishes slant. Man, in my swimming pool, and my pools of the palace, great fishes slant, swimming everywhere. Their fins athwart the sun. Their fins means their wings. Fish's wings is called fins. So their fins athwart the sun. Athwart the sun, the fins of the fish are shining in sunlight. So their fins, their wings athwart means shining in the sunshine, shining in the sunlight. So in this paragraph, the poet wonders, the poet surprised that if he was the lord of a place called Tartary, in which only he would live all alone, then his bed should be made of ivory and his thorn made of gold. He also imagined that in his court there will be peacocks showing off their features, while in the forest the tigers will scare the other animals. In his pools, the fishes will swim fearlessly with their fins pointing to the sun. So this is described in this first paragraph. Yes. In second para, the poet imagines, if I were Lord of Tartary, if I were the king of Tartary, I had wear a robe of beads. Beads means like pearls. Pearls वगैरह के जो beads होते हैं उनकी robe पहनूं. Robe means royal dress. Write down the meaning robe. Royal dress. I had wear a robe of beads. Means beads means हीरे जवाहरात, diamonds, pearl. White and gold means the beads are white and gold, and green they had be in white and green and gold color, the beads, and clustered thick as seeds, and clustered thick as seeds means seeds like a seed की तरह वो thick हो. Okay, this is your second para. If I were lord of Tartary, trumpets every day. Trumpets every day means soldiers trumpet every day. Trumpets means blow the horn, blow the bigul, or to every meal would summon me. Summon means call. Every meal would call me. And in my country yard, bray. In my country yard, in my palace, bray. And in the evening, lamps would shine. In the evenings, lamps would shine. Yellow as honey means the shining of the lamp, yellow as honey, red as wine. While harp and flute and mandoline. While harp, flute and mandolines. Mandolines, old spelling of mandolin, a musical instrument. These are the musical instrument, harp, flute and mandoline. Made music sweet and gay. Gay means happy. Sweet and happy means these instruments made a music, create a music with sweetness and happiness. So in this para, the poet further wishes that if he were the lord of Tartary, then there would be trumpets in the courtyard. Who would play the trumpets to call him when it was time to have his meals? Means जब उसका टाइम हो जाता मील का तो वो ट्रम्पेट करते. मीन्स उसको ट्रम्पेट करके आवाज से, बिगुल की आवाज करके सारे जो सोल्जर्स थे वो उसको बुलाते, कॉल्स बुलाते और वो अपना मील, अपना फूड जो है वहां पर गेट करता. And in the evening, colorful lamps would be lit with yellow and red glow. Means the lamp color was yellow and red, and these yellow and red comparison to honey and wine. So the yellow color reminds him of honey and the red color reminds him of wine. He also imagines that there would be exotic musical instrument. Exotic means very excited musical instrument like the harp, flute and mandolin. So these are the instruments playing sweet and happy tunes. So in this para, the poet imagines all these things. So in the third para, if I were, the poet said, if I were lord of Tartary, I had wear a robe of beads. I had wear a robe of beads, robe of diamonds, pearls. These are the beads of white, gold and green color. Means the beads color is white, gold and green, and clustered thick as seeds. Means clustered means stick. These beads are stick thickly as seeds, like a seed on the robe, on the royal dress. And air should when the morning stars. Means very early morning, I had donned my robe. I had donned my robe means I wear my clothes, I wear my royal uniform, royal dress. And scimitar. Scimitar means a short curved sword, or I wear my sword. I wear my sword. And Jevras 7 should draw my car. Means on my car, Jevras drawing will be painted through Tartary's dark glades. Through Tartary's dark forest. Means from the Tartary's dark forest, Jevras 7 draw my car. Lord of the fruits of Tartary. Means Lord of the fruits means the god of the food of Tartary through there. Means Tartary's dark glades. Tartary's dark forest. Means dark forest में वो आए god of fruits and show me the all things. So in this para, the poet says The poet said, Tartary, he dreams of himself wearing a robe, wearing a royal dress of colorful beads of white, gold, and green color that will be strung very close together. That will be stick. Stick means चुपके हुए हो, वो उससे पूरी तरह से एक बीज की तरह. Seeds means बीज. बीज की तरह वो चुपके हुए हो एक दूसरे से on the royal dress and very close together. He would wake up early morning while it is still dark, and in the morning stars haven't disappeared. Means early morning जब वो उठे तो morning star disappeared ना हो. And he would wear his robe of beads, carry his sword, and travel through Tartary's dark valleys. Tartary's dark forest. Means he traveled on the morning stars, in the morning stars night, with in Tartary's dark forest, dark valleys, on a carriage. On a carriage means on his wheel that will be drawn by 7 zebras. Means his carriage was drawn by 7 zebras. मीन्स उसका जो गाड़ी है, उसका जो रथ है, वो 7 जेवरास के द्वारा जो है उसको ड्रॉ किया जाए, उसको खींचा जाए. सो दिस इज डिस्क्राइब इन थर्ड पैरा. Yes, in this fourth para, the poet imagines that her rivers silver pale, her rivers silver pale like a silver or yellow color, lord of the hills of Tartary, and glen thickest wood and dale. Glen, thickest wood and dale. These are the meanings. Glen, a deep narrow valley. Glen means a deep narrow valley. Thickest means bushes of small trees. Bushes of small trees growing closely together. Wood means forest and dale means a valley. Dale means a valley. So the poet imagines means her Tartary's field, her Tartary's area with a deep narrow valley, means with a dark forest and with a dark valley. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze. Her flashing stars means shining stars. Her scented breeze. Scented means fragrance. Full of fragrance breeze. Breeze means air, wind. Her trembling legs. Trembling means flowing. मीन्स वेन जब लेक से जो पानी नीचे गिरता है तो ट्रेम्बल करता हुआ गिरता है, फ्लो करता है. सो हर ट्रेम्बलिंग लेग्स लाइक फॉर्मलेस सी. फॉर्मलेस विदाउट एनी बबल्स. विदाउट एनी बबल्स उस टाइप का सीज हो. ट्रेम्बलिंग लेग्स. हर बर्ड डिलाइटिंग क्रिटोन ट्रीज. हर बर्ड डिलाइटिंग क्रिटोन ट्रीज. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्री. क्रिटोन. डिलाइटिंग मीन्स with happiness in every purple vale. Vale means also a valley. In every purple valley, on a purple valley, her birds sits on the citron tree with happiness. So in this para, the poet imagines himself to also be lord of all the fruits of Tartary. Fruits of Tartary and the pale silver rivers. Means he wants to be the lord of fruits and the hills and rivers. He wants to be not only the lord of rivers, he wants to be not only the lord of the hills of Tartary, but also its valleys and bushes. Means he wants to be the lord of all bushes, all valleys, and all forests. So he wants to enjoy the night life of Tartary's shining stars, her scented breeze, her fragrance air, her fragrance wind, her lakes that are like seas. Means uski lake aisi ho like a seas. And her citron trees that birds have made their homes, and her valleys. Means citron trees par वैलीज, वहां पर क्या ट्री पे क्या करती है, बर्ड्स अपना होम बनाती है. सो वहां पर हो वो सिट्रोन ट्री दैट बर्ड्स हैव मेड देयर होम, एंड हर वैलीज दैट look purple in the night, means their means valleys of the forest look purple in the moonlight. So this is the description of fourth para.